Hi everyone. Yeah, long time no see. I took a little mental break for a couple weeks, but now I'm back. Thank you for sticking around, and first off, thank you so much for 5,000 subscribers. Like, wow, I am just blown away. Like, I still can't get over the 1,000 subscriber milestone, and now we're at 5. Like, that truly means so much to me, so just thank you so much. Please follow my Instagram. My Instagram's at adrianananoodle, and I do have an art Instagram, even though I did take a little break from art, but I will try to get back into it again. But if you want to follow my art Instagram. And one more thing, I just did a huge closet clean out and I wasn't able to successfully film it, but I will be posting tons and tons of clothes on my Depop hopefully soon. I just have to find the time to do it. But if you want to go ahead and follow my Depop, today we are doing another Depop style bundle. Alright, so I was reached out by the lovely person by the name of Elise, and Elise reached out to me, asked me if I was interested in a style bundle, and I said yes. I had good feelings about her because I looked on her Depop and she seemed legit. This bundle costed $50 and the shipping was $10.50. I will include the conversation that we had. Basically, I'm just kind of looking for a general mystery bundle catered more towards like colder weather, you know, fall and stuff like that. Did not take very long. I believe it took like a week and a half maybe. So I have good feelings about this. And on the listing it says that the bundle will include 2 tops, 1 bottom, 3 accessories, and some extra goodies. So we'll see what I received, and yeah, let me just open the box now. Here's the box. Okay, here is the box, and I hear like metal, so I'm very intrigued, and let me just start opening it now. Okay, so here's what the box looks like inside, and it looks like we got a little lunchbox or something. I don't know what order I'm supposed to be opening this stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the first piece. So we have top number 1. Lovely little packaging that I always enjoy. Very neat. Ooh. Ooh, this looks like a vintage piece. Very cute. Yay. That's so cute. So we have this cute little vintage button-up top, which is like my favorite thing ever. Just vintage button-ups. So we have a lovely little top. It's red. It has small polka dots with bigger polka dots, and also these buttons are like these rose buttons with gold around it. I love that. Very nice little details, and it doesn't have a brand on it, but the style of it, very vintage, and I always enjoy the color red. Next item, this is the bottom. Ooh. Yes! We got more plaid. Yes. Ooh. Alright, we have this long wool plaid skirt, and it's like little fringe at the bottom, and it's soft and very warm for the cold weather, and I'm so happy because I have been really on the hunt for a long plaid skirt. The brand is Briggs, New York. So it's a vintage skirt, and yeah, these long plaid skirts are pretty hard to come by at the thrift store. So this is a really awesome piece and very fall, so I'm really happy with that. And honestly, this surprised me. At first when I just put the skirt on, I'm like, how the heck am I going to style this? But honestly, like, I love it. Paired this with just like a plain velvet top, and then I threw on my red suede jacket that I just thrifted before quarantine started. I feel like just a good way to wear long skirts is just to put on a pair of platform boots, and this worked out really well. I think this might be my favorite item. It's the most like unique, but also just really cool, and I just wanted a plaid skirt, and I'm so happy especially for it to have this like fringe and just in the black plaid. Like, it'll just go with everything, and I will definitely be rocking this in the winter. And it fits me comfortable. It has a stretchy waistband, so I can move around really easily. Plaid print is beautiful. It's perfect. Just a cute little freaking outfit. I'm proud of this. I'm proud of this outfit, okay? All right, I'm gonna open this. It just says extra. Ooh, look at that. Yellow and corduroy. Wow, it's a corduroy mustard yellow like blazer. Oh, this is such a fall dream. The color is so beautiful. This is like my favorite. The brand is Gold Flavor. Okay, so here is the corduroy blazer, and y'all, I think this one is my favorite item of this whole bundle. It's so hard to choose. Like, all these pieces are so good, but this one just makes my heart happy. Like, I love the length of it. Like, I could just wear this as like a throw-on jacket with all my fall and winter outfits. It's just perfect for the season, and I love how she conveniently rolled up the sleeves already, and I love that look. This is gonna be like my new favorite thing in my closet. Like, it seriously like brings me joy wearing it right now. Yeah, I just put on a really simple kind of outfit, like this little vintage floral dress and then my Doc Martens, and I feel like this is just such a cute look. It's super easy, super casual, but also just adorable, and this outfit just makes me so happy. Okay, so this is the last clothing item, and she said it's too bulky for wrapping paper, which is fine, but it looks like some sort of patchwork sweater. So, oh, that is adorable. So it's this like patchwork sweater, and it has lovely fall colors, the orange, the brown, the yellow, just perfect little fall colors, and this is so cute and it feels so cozy, so I'm very excited for this. And this looks like it's handmade. There's no brand on it, so I think somebody hand knitted this. Just lovely little turtleneck sweater. It's so cozy, and the colors are really cute and very fall. The only thing is that the sweater is just a little wonky, but it is a handmade sweater. It just has that handmade touch, you know? So I still really like it. I mean, the colors, it's just so cool to wear something that somebody made, you know? My go-to lately for quarantine is just like comfy pants and like platform shoes if I'm actually going out. So that's what I decided for this outfit. So I just have these like brown linen pants that I just got from Depop, and you know, I just wanted to match the brown tones, and then just threw on my platform shoes again that you guys see me wear a lot. I really do adore this sweater. It's cozy, I enjoy the turtleneck, and it's very warm. Like, I could definitely wear this to like camping, or when it just gets really cold here in the Bay Area. Like, the sweater will definitely keep me warm, and it's thick and the colors make me happy. So all in all, really cute sweater. Okay, so she included a little extra thing. So she gave me this Disney lunchbox. It has Ariel in the front, and on the side it has Jasmine, Pocahontas, and it's in this like comic book style. So cute little Disney lunchbox. Ooh. Alright, so it looks like I got some more little extras. Oh, that's so nice. So she included some jewelry. Ooh, that is very nice. Sarah Cove. This is a gold coin necklace, but it has Leo on it, which is so cool. It's like this zodiac necklace, and it has Leo on it, and that's really cool actually. I really love that. Very personalized for me, so that's really nice of her. And I do love this little gold chain style. This is definitely gonna be like an everyday necklace, so thank you so much, Elise. All right, she also included some gold hoop earrings, which I always enjoy. I actually don't have any gold hoops, so these will be cool. Yeah, little gold like wire hoop earrings, very statement. So yeah, these are really cool as well. Love those. Alright, and then here's her little thank you card. She must have made this herself. Lovely little cute pink design, and on the back It has her Instagram and stuff. Her Instagram is Sassy Moon. And then she has this note. So I'm gonna read the note that she included. It says, "Dear Adriana, I've been a fan of your YouTube channel for a while, so I am so thrilled to have been able to put together a bundle for you. This is my first ever bundle mystery box I've done, so I'm still obviously very new to this. Nonetheless, I hope you love everything included, and I welcome any constructive criticism or feedback. I feel like we have very similar styles, and we're both artists, so putting these pieces together for you felt very natural and fun for me. To start with, the first top is an oversized red and white polka dot button-down shirt. This top totally gives me vintage/retro vibes, something you mentioned that you love. I also fell in love with the buttons on this top, which have tiny roses on them. I feel like this would look so cute with some high-waisted pants like black jeans, with shirt tied at the front for a more prop look. You could also totally wear it more like a dress with some cute tights underneath. The next piece is a handmade vintage checkered sweater from the 90s. This actually came from my own closet, but whenever I see it, I immediately think of you. It has a funky print you adore with a perfect fall color scheme. Honestly, I would just wear this sweater with a cute pair of blue jeans, as it makes a statement all on its own. For bottoms, I included this black plaid maxi skirt with fringe detailing. For real likes, I saw a lot of plaid, so I knew I had to include this. I also feel like the fringe detailing at the bottom makes it even more funkier and unique, and I've never seen a skirt quite like it. As an extra gift, I added this mustard yellow corduroy material jacket. I love everything about this jacket, from the cut to the color. Once again, it gives me super fall vibes, and it's artsy as heck. You can also wear it with a sweater I included for the ultimate autumn fit. Finally, for accessories, I remember you saying you don't use purses much, so I decided to include this vintage metal lunchbox instead. I love the pop art look, and once again, it gives me totally artsy vibes. I also included some gold hoops and a matching gold necklace with a pendant that has a zodiac sign Leo on it. When I found this necklace, it literally felt like the stars were aligned, since I know from your zodiac YouTube video that you're a Leo. I really hope you love everything, and I can't wait to hear back from you. Thank you for trusting me. Love, Sassy Moon." Yeah, that was a very lovely. I think she did really good, and I can't believe that was her first mystery box. I actually did not know that. I think she really carefully picked out certain pieces that I really enjoy. I definitely got very artsy vibes, but also fall. She pretty much got everything that I was looking for or that I wanted. Very much catered to my Depop likes and my interests in general. Yeah, I don't really think I have any complaints. I knew I was just gonna get a mix of items, and let me tell you guys about all her information. So her Depop is at Elise K, and her shop is Sassy Moon Thrift. Her Instagram is Sassy Moon, so if you guys want to buy a style bundle from her, definitely try it out. I think she did really good. Okay, so before I actually really end the video, she did ask for constructive criticism, but I just wanted to say that I don't think I really have any constructive criticism. I loved all of the pieces. I really couldn't choose a favorite, to be honest. I loved all of them, and they all fit me well, so she did really good, and this was a great experience. So thank you so much, Elise. That's it. All right, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for sticking around, and again, thank you for 5,000 subscribers. Take care, stay positive, and always be creative. See you next time. Bye.